So what about fog? Well, the advantage of fog is that it's obvious to see and know when you shouldn't drive. The disadvantage? Just about everything else. Each year, there are over 38,700 vehicle crashes in fog. And given that limited sight is going to impair your ability to react quickly, it's one of the most harmful weather events on the road. When you're driving in fog, you'll want to keep a few safety tips in mind. First, slow down. Reduced speeds will help you avoid sudden obstacles. Also, use low beams. High beams reflect off the fog, causing more glare than the increased light's worth. Low beams help you see the road more clearly. Use fog lights if they're available. Some cars do have built-in fog lights to improve visibility. And finally, increase your following distance. As always, keep a safe distance between your vehicle and others. Ideally, dealing with fog means sitting it out and waiting for the weather to pass. But if you do find yourself trapped in foggy conditions, remember that safe is always better than sorry.